congestion would be up.
Welcome back to ASCAR. I'm very happy to accompany you on the journey to discover interesting roads and share useful knowledge about traffic safety. If you want to conquer beautiful roads and become a confident and safe driver, join ASCAR to discover important driving tips and inspiring stories. Together, we build a civilized traffic community where every trip becomes a memorable experience. Are you ready to join us on this exciting journey of discovery? That does not look safe at all. Be on a lookout for any slippery road. I hope they are fine. The driver of the gray car, upon seeing the slow-moving vehicle in front, did not maintain a safe distance and did not slow down sufficiently. As a result, the gray car collided violently with the black car in front. The collision caused the black car to lose its wheel and caused traffic congestion. Maintaining a safe distance between vehicles is extremely important, especially when encountering changing traffic conditions. If the driver maintains the correct distance and slows down appropriately when noticing the slow-moving vehicle in front, the collision can be avoided and the safety of all road users can be ensured. Responding quickly and accurately to unexpected situations is an important factor in ensuring road safety.
Fucking crazy.
He's fine. In a traffic situation at a busy intersection, a white car was traveling at a high rate of speed and did not slow down as it approached the intersection. This resulted in a serious collision with a red car that was moving through the intersection. The collision caused serious damage to both vehicles and caused significant traffic disruption. The incident highlights the importance of obeying speed limits and paying attention to traffic signs when driving through intersections. Slowing down and looking carefully before entering an intersection can help prevent serious collisions and ensure the safety of all road users.
It's a delicious way to support NPR's.
That gonna leave a mark. Drive more careful next time. Always obey the traffic rules. In a traffic situation at an intersection, two vehicles were moving through the intersection at high speed and not paying attention to the traffic signs or signals. The haste of both drivers resulted in a violent collision between the vehicles. As a result, Both vehicles were severely damaged and traffic was disrupted. This situation highlights the risks of moving quickly through an intersection without looking carefully. Obeying the speed limit and looking carefully before entering an intersection is important for the safety of all road users. Being careful and respecting traffic rules can help prevent collisions and keep yourself and others safe. I hope they are fine. Now that is a close call. On the highway, the driver of a white car was traveling through a sharp curve when he suddenly lost control of the vehicle. The control system did not respond in time, causing the car to roll over several times and leave the lane. The incident caused chaos on the road and caused serious damage to the vehicle. Ensuring good control and appropriate speed reduction when entering curves can help prevent serious accidents. Always pay attention to road conditions and vehicle conditions to ensure the safety of yourself and others on the road. Keep your eyes on the road.
Tacky, won't have that problem. Uniform.
That was very dangerous. The white car from a small road tried to merge into the main lane without looking carefully. This sudden action surprised other drivers on the road and made it difficult to handle the situation, causing chaos on the road.
What the fuck are you?
Stepping on their necks and hell no, I ain't gon' let you up. You doing some broke ass off, they need a level up. My bust down, shitting on your watch, get your bezel up.
While driving on a busy road, two black cars in front of them got into an argument. This action not only made it difficult for other vehicles to move, but also caused traffic congestion, making people wait and move slowly.
Анатолий, смотри, что делает. Ёб твой, он пьяный, блядь. Чё, будем подходить? Holy!
John was driving at a high speed and lost control of his vehicle, resulting in a collision with another vehicle. As a result, he faced severe penalties from the authorities. Driving at high speeds is not only dangerous for himself, but also for others. This highlights the importance of obeying speed limits and controlling your vehicle. Obeying traffic rules helps avoid penalties and protects the safety of all road users.
Hey. Hey.
busy stretch of road, when vehicles were moving slowly, the car behind the driver failed to brake in time and collided with the car in front. The collision pushed the cars in front forward and caused a series of consecutive collisions between the cars. This incident highlights the importance of keeping a safe distance and being prepared to brake in time when driving in a crowded area. Always maintaining a safe distance helps avoid unwanted collisions and protects the safety of all vehicles on the road.
Please stay at command after the beep.
The black car moved into the blind spot of the large truck, blinding the driver and causing a violent collision between the two vehicles. This situation highlights the importance of avoiding moving into the blind spots of other vehicles, especially large trucks. To stay safe, always check your mirrors and blind spots before changing lanes or turning. Increased awareness of blind spots helps prevent unwanted collisions and keeps all road users safe. On the highway, a truck driver suddenly lost control, causing the wheel to swerve and collide with a guardrail. The impact caused the truck to flip over, causing severe damage to the small cars being transported behind it due to a problem with the wheel. A small problem like a broken wheel can have serious consequences, affecting the driver, the cargo, and other vehicles. The story emphasizes the importance of regular inspection and maintenance of vehicles, especially large vehicles. Timely repair of small problems can help prevent accidents and ensure traffic safety. Keep your eyes on the road. Thank you for joining us in this wonderful video. Every view, every share, and your support is a great source of motivation for us to continue to bring more quality content. How do you feel about the journey we just went through? Please leave your feelings in the comment section below, because we are looking forward to hearing from the community. Don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting stories. There will be many interesting videos with memorable journeys and lessons on traffic safety. See you tomorrow morning in the new video, together building a civilized and responsible traffic community.